Afghanistan's national currency, the Afghani, has dropped further recently amid economic woes, causing grave concern among the Afghan people. The Afghani was traded at 112.6 for $1 on Monday, according to figures provided by Da Afghanistan Bank, the country's national bank. A dealer in Kandahar said that the Afghan currency hit the lowest level against US dollars in 20 years.
افغاني مثال په دا شلو کالو کې دغه ځای ته نوې را رسېدلې لکه نن چې را رسېدلې دي افغاني ورځ په ورځ خرابېږي. دولت باید چې په دې اړه داسې وکړي چې مثال دی بازار ته یو څه ډالر راوباسي فروش وکړي.
After the Taliban's takeover in mid-August, the Afghan economy has suffered from the US freezing of over $9 billion in assets belonging to the Afghan Central Bank, and a halt in funds by the World Bank and the International Monetary Fund. The rapid devaluation of the Afghani has caused a skyrocketing rise in essential items prices.